Iradia mami nasa misimeka misha sieni na minko yeseni yo iradi nyawa ya mami nisu asembi ba to me amani ebi pa na minemu na tuma dwendwene na so min to me country nipa if you send me penny masemka one kotina bedroom engu meni mwase enti mayeko na miguna mani nasa mishakwa ya ufazua ene wapipa marawa iminizo enina na miuni ya minkampo I have a testimony a testimony I'll tell the world my story of what you have done. Do it again and again and again and again. Bli 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 da da bi da da Edurum rebi and now for nebu senyi na yemi tochene obwa for ne wine na minim se many das wasan onyon kobreboa many tono senko bekai mimpono oyineni e notani ne chimamio anyakupani minyakupona onode ontisenibo na wedi atro wamana dum na sumisune eti monyamio na mina minyamiasio ne nyamia yebi Wayamana yemi fetudu. I have a testimony. I have a testimony. I'll tell the world my story of all that you have done. have a God who never change, always the same, always the same. He's not a man that he should lie, always the same, always the same. You're the ancient of days, yes, you never change. I will worship you, for you alone are God. My woo, I don't worry to any end. You are faithful to the end. You have never failed. My woo, kunu wala again. You're the God of wonders, and we stand in awe of you. Oh, they can't wait. Mau. Oh, they can't wait. Amazing God. Amazing God. That's who you are. For who you are, I worship. Amazing God. That's who you are. I worship you. For who you are. You're the ancient of days, yes, you never change. I will worship you, for you alone are God. My woo, I know return.
I'm a tears for a year, I'm a menomie. My woo, I know quite at all. Yeah. That is Pastor Doll Datson. Pastor Datson, good morning. Dr. Akria Mary Ganza, good morning. What they call. Good morning to everybody. Bibiara, Yamia Adom at the patch one with me Timene. So do a video to her on behalf of your family. Let me a catch us when I'm in the wedding year. When I'm in the wedding year. I'm found a senior setting at here when I'm in the wedding year. Hana and so a bumpire said, Macumedi a Hurisie a rade emo. A radimu a Hurisie, Macoma. Mau anokwarito. Mau mavo. That is it. Mau ne sekatoto. Mau anokwarito. Mau mavo. I want to then be kasa ya na when ni ajesa. Mentiazi on. Sao ajire yo. Mau mavo. So we worship you. I wanna add down play me kasa me shiam yire me ho aka me siensi so no person we this kasa ni diagro Mau anokwarito Mau mavo Karo Shade and the memranti and life for more bon hano some control oh my year one and then Friday and then they just say you cut all out like that. Wagwan man ya kana mai twaya yes apande ya mana you and ya me to I make us ya not try family yonder I come together in the with those that you because I won't kwana ya She patuano mawa patuano at the bonnes of Gassa. Yana Santa Fana Yabaya. Come on, good people. Go for us through if you ever say, Papa Whippa. Men said that. We used to do. Men said that. I wanna, one for Bianca. What is I don't know? Men said, yeah. You need to confess those positive things. Mau sekatatoto. Mau anokwarito. Mau mavo. Mau sekatato. Mau anokwarito. Mau mavo. Right, good morning, Pachomeda. As I say, we do a video to Adom and say, me banners and me challenge me say, me do a crime, me refi. Just I just get to put it together and push the word and encourage you. Good morning. First Samuel chapter 2. And a hand and so bonfire say makumedi eradimo hurusie eradimo na wama mabenso. He has lifted my horn. In the Lord, He has lifted my horn. Say, Abrabone to Bribia, now we're gonna say, you have come to the crossroad. I say, won't to me, and Cohen, but Hannah said, baby, Makuma dear, receive a Radimo, and a one mama benso. God is the lifter of my home. Radia mama ben, Asan Pija Koso. Binim about crow and a bema cry and pay when you make us a cassa same way at the show. A Tobribia, ne come out to say, dear Abrabono. Wababe drew and Quantanine, Untimin Coanim, Untimin Coachi. But a rade asema or the man and said, a radima a nipa a benso. So I would know what he has said, Radiama ma benso. He has lifted my horn. Just say he has exalted me. The omen nipa in Pija a rade. And if you other, I bet me I show crying say in Pija or hop. It was a mano atre ewo matan for so if we say many jewo and kwagye emo obiara enye kronkron se erade na obiara enni wachi na obotan bi enni ho se onyankopon monkasa ahantan kasa bebre sa mama asem denden emfiri mu enumu na erade ni onyankopon a ohunu ade nyina na ono na okari eniyo nyina ahodenfo tadua ebubu na embrefo na embrefo de wode ahoden ebo wonom eho so na embrefo de de waye mbre no wode ahoden ebo won ho so won a ome kodi aduane ho epa na pititofo ekom egu obonenimpo awo enson obonimpo awo enson na de owo ema bebre no eye ohokwafo obonini impo awo enson erade na okum na erade na omankwa oma wosane ko asamando na oma woforo edi free edi Erade ema ubi edihia na wama ubi nso so ediye. Verse 7 no pesa wo checking ye. Erade ma ubi edihia, erade ema ubi dihia na omu ubi nso so ediye. Obre ubi ase na wama ubi nso so. Eti ena no pay samene omi ye no ye wa hanom na se somo a. Le pesa wo dwene san samfu awe no nyina ho. Erade ma ubi so. Erade ebre ubi ase. Radima will be so. Radima will be so. The Radia Bre will be as. And if you are that, immediate hen out pay. Radima here will be the Radiama will be so hodoma. Na wama wanyesika. Which one do you want? The hen out pay. The hen out pay. The hen out pay. I mean, call Embo John for Fra and Rana John Kwani about some pie. Let's go for it. And Rana Junkwa around 7 and 8. Iti ahomachina epia bontena. Ahomachina.
Some trust in chariots, others in horses, but I trust the one true God, the one who holds and molds my life. Some trust in chariots, others in horses, but I trust the one true God, the one who holds and holds my life. Enti, Michi Wudo Mire, Michi Wudi Saoya Jenina Sutumfo, Otumfo ni Wobrohufo, Obucheri Fuatoya Doso, Nyami Bay, Nyami Ba, Unyani Panyan Sechin Sayam, Mimfama Distrama Wedding, Mawuni Mihamata, Eh, Michi Wudo, Erate, Michi Wudi Ajenina Sutumfo, all power belongs to you. What's here for what's your way? Answer by fire. This prayer. Unyani panyan sechin sayamenti. Memfa ma distrem ma wedding. Ma wuni mi ramata. Every say why every do. Why every do yami. Why every do yami. What did I ever for? What did I ever for yami? What did I ever for?
Yes, we are watching you. Yes, we are watching you. Ebe, nyumbeng ni, wedi ya baranya, amono chiao.
Some trust in chariots, others in horses, but I trust the one true God, the one who holds and molds my life. Some trust in chariots, others in horses, but I trust the one true God, the one who holds and molds my life. Enti, Michi Wudo Mire, Michi Wudi Saoya Jenina Sutumfo, Otumfo ni Wobrohufo, Obucheri Fuatoya Doso, Nyami Bay, Nyami Ba, Unyani Panyan Sechin Sayam, Mimfama Distrama Wedding, Mawuni Mihamata, Eh, Michi Wudo, Erate, Michi Wudi Ajenina Sutumfo, all power belongs to you. What's here for what's your way? Answer by fire. This prayer, Unyani Panyan Sechin Sayamenti, Mimfama Distrama Wedding, Mawuni Mihamata. Every say why every do, why every do yami, why every do yami. What did I ever for? What did I ever for yami? What did I ever for yami? Enti erate watching you. Yes, we are watching you. Erate watching you. Yes, we are watching you. Yami. Sorry, Eradi way na want to me, Nyami Bay, Nyami Ba, Unyani Panyan Sechin Saya, Mimfama Distrema when him, Mawuni mi Ramota, Utsumia Jeninayo, Utsumia Jeninayo.
This is the new album, and Rana Junkwan, Yabon Paigo, so on the social media and Zoom and Facebook. Apostle Opokunyana and Wasofo Kingsley and Mama Gifty Afenyedazi and Yenyana Keka and Judea Buano the Fay Asofo who is left? What's my brother's name? Oh, come on. And Yakeka Bowman and Ra Diana Hamilton, Bon Paigo Sergeant. So this is the new album, this is the latest one. And from 12 o'clock, Humachin started say Babonton. All the social media platforms, that's why we'll be to me at Sergeant. So the first station I'm gonna pay yet me a boss join a multimedia Adom 106.3 to be precise. I want my boy no in the Let me continue to dedicate this song. And young Fufu Biaba made the mom the one in Kokra, and there's their music. So Yamaman already 131 years of quote, and Ahena Kwame and triplets and Kwame and Tafu also twice. And so I dedicate beside this argument Emma Yama Menoman Yan Papanama Marijuana and Kokra. What triplets means? What are you talking about? 131 years. First, no, you'll be a Ugushri, our co, Abosomni Ebiho, and say why a Basri Niankasa, Basri Ni Kron 131 years. The shows will be DB account. Mama Facebook, you can watch her Senia, or Namon or Shanima. The singing Bakukren 2 years, Bakukren 2 years, and the sing Bakukren 2 years. Yes, you know, pa your board, dear, no, and I just say, Odi. But Second World War, no, and not your war, no. 131 years. Okasa, all right. Now, Sumana, you drink a crabby because 131 years a year, enough from us. And Macquacosano, some of you are more best say Macquacosano. We need to celebrate such a mother 131 years. 131 years. 16. It doing Okane nananam ene ne mabumwa wo emane nananam as at now 138. Yes, 138. Ne ma ene nananam ne nanan kanso. Okay. Some Cassia American. If we have such people, your Sama, if we or may you so we need to celebrate them. We must celebrate such people. 138 children and grandchildren, if you put them together, 138. Yes, Allah said the movie much. We are blessed as a country. We are blessed as 130. Are you quoting? The dedicated Sajuma, Brobiania, Cocrebia, you must say, oh, my man, and our papa, and I want to never I would was celebrating one. Be actually great work, Daddy. More grace to you all. But my mama, Janet Dankwa, Mamel, latte has passed on the 35 years. Oh, what the kind? Kwasi, Kafra. But so what the TRC, we actually I tap into her blessing. I tap into her anointing. Yes, it is good to tap into such 131 years. Then I would end say, I can't tell. Remember, I will say, will be through 131. Na ungu yen wada tiasi. Ma wira susung ho. Ma wira ho. Show when you na make a ma wira ho. Radia yebida. Radia yeda no obetumi ayen so ediama won so wo maame enso papa ene wonana. Enti be ma bi so betumi di 131 ana. Na se bisa no no. Obi betumi be ma bi so betumi di 131 ana. We must celebrate while they are alive. Mami 131, Messi be celebrated in the month of October. That is my month. In fact, she was born in October. She was born. We are sure. Mimi ne choose Nyankopon kra or bad or ye na de nyina no ofa de wabo nyina no de ba Adam say Adam tutudin. Eti me toto. 131 years. On one 10 Ubinti Diana man 131. Yamono Pampas 131. On one Bibia. I celebrate my grandma who was 90 years just this past Monday, and at Budu Hagan of Church of Pentecost. Okay, right, elder. Odiana 90 years. May head you bet me beat 131. The nana no monkwa ene ne maukafuanoa almost nyina aye 136. We should have gone. We should have gone. But you know 16 children now you know odia wumawu nyeso wonya free sir odia wumawu bi if free mo but triplets no owo no they are there. Triplets miensa and some miensa listen and it the same trouble. I can't just say me kono into your kono will bring more information of this great woman who is a Presbyterian now, a bastard in ewo ko menchira ho na di manim na koko interview no menka menchira 131 years. We celebrate such mothers and such grandmothers and such grandfathers. Oh, mamea buno dinini. Wonin sono. Ansana we free hano. All right, Mate, Obi say I will go with you if I'm in Ghana. And you're checking Ebra Ghana. They say October the Ebeko. My gifty, just work it out and join me on October, the month of October. I mean, yes, specific. My mother is almost 80 years. I tap into her blessings. My mother, may God continue to bless my mother through her prayers. Blah 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 blah. Thank you very much, Christiana Amma. Okay, if you celebrate your mother and your father when they are alive like this, God bless her, strengthen her, and protect her. Facebook for the say I'm not some patia. I try to be nice when it comes to things like that towards grandmothers and grandfathers. As of now, you better didn't come after said grandmothers and said grandfathers, and what do we do? For us to tap into also be already 131 years, and near man brabo bo any addition or one. You can't take it for granted. You can, but why do we at times walk around at young for woman and your Nimidia woman, Nyansa woman, addition dear more experiential knowledge. When you nipa so ne man and anano crampono, ubia and shedda. Enya breso or tria besa mama na papa na wata put into the grace e was mama na sa papa no emo ne yetetewa ne nipa na wukot kekekekeke Max Borokans bi o say ope achede pa kese a e wa samado. Why? Because we allow them to die. Yet tenasia ne ye hwe no mawuko no muko wi a na fe no you see billboards uko Ashanti regional. To be honest with you, I want to be free, but uko no ma billboards of dead people are so much. I am some group. Just a billboards are cold draw. My minute years here, the fear crown, who said the picture Yahro, like a crampo DSO. But we are Nefeno, Yanium, Bisibas, baby, Abubia, no Saman is you want, just a man is you want, Kufi Saman is you want, Kame Saman. Why are we not celebrating such living legends? Why are we not celebrating them? I didn't know young Denya Miansema, I didn't know young Hua woman, I didn't know will be what do 131 years. Who say you can't want some or mayimo. Do we have even data? Do we have data? When you're down in our Konkono Pone and then week, and you can't want some will be the Babantana. How do we even know? How do we even know? Now, you want to cramp on a dear band, you're by your phone. Well, don't you know, say, a bit me a bois? Ama ministry say where you because many uncle Srasa mami yan celebrate such a murder Yeah, ni hunu se ni wiase oba ne Ghana obi pie ye no ye de ne kom mumam ama wiase nyina so ehunu. Good morning Nasof, good morning to all of you.
Yeah, here we are.
Mo nyina mo ye de.
Yes indeed.
Okay.
Now so
Yesu adaroma ya kuma na boka kranka ade pumping kwa ade na chese wo so you are very okay.
Na do ye nsunti ye nwiesa.
Oh ye nwiesa. Obekoso ekura ye no waso yima. Because my kuma na bona de na abehwemene. Na wakoma mo asa na chese wo wiesa. Na chese wo kokura na no. Ente pumping do pump no wa relax.
And they are my pressure on the cost.
Me and yes and
I'm pressure on the cost.
I took me pa so now do say now they hear my jogging kakra. You need to jog nante kakra na your watch is be a boy no nante to be catch say wakoma no e must send you say bo na nye djuma na hard work.
Watch your bones.
Watch your boy. Oh yeah.
Now phone crana say omo apa utimi wo.
Yes.
Download your phone.
Yes.
Yes, your phone.
Wukra ukuta phone papa no. Phone papa. Mom kra phone papa no say e shobotum kra. Wo nantia na ma wo dodo a wanante ene ma aben kakra firi wo ni paduam.
For idea. Ya na du ba bia. Ya ye kutia pem ne
na kutia pem nim. But say wo phone papa. Sande e prerogative o. Bu on ma o pese wo use e no a
choice.
Choice. Etiaja ye be kind say.
Abra.
Yeah.
Na mi shira o.
Ma ye krasi o.
Sansem we no no. I want say we me but adie ba ko ma me fall in love with you pa those days.
You fall in love, babe. You fall in love. I fall in love. I don't say
we work class, you know. Yeah, na me follow a fan. Some of these things.
Yes, sir.
Your respect for old people.
Yeah.
Your attention on old ladies nomni adina utimiko fa abiriwebi pani adim se openi obu ade osoro nyame wow ene nyina na bishop enya mmerewafo ne nkokranfo nko ayesisi on be boss ye celebrate we dasu mistakes no dasu
yeah, also, mommy, be no bad. Sorry, my father's house.
Oh my God!
It just say, mommy, who said what chess are? Yeah, mobilize it. Talk some small cabby man. Say, on sorry, up and down. Na can engage jumana in feed. I don't know 100 and something years.
Yes.
And what they can heaven.
Mommy, ochire my dear. Ochire my dear.
What no see sorry dem na.
Bishop, yeah, fasting. Na me call say, mama. Yeah, pon asori ko breki. What's it? MSA Madi.
MSA Wazi.
At that time, no 96.
Yeah.
Wow.
Also, I dry fasting. Friday, Saturday, Sunday. We break Monday morning.
Yeah.
Make a dry fasting.
96.
Sure. And a 100 plus.
Yes, 100 plus.
Wow. Na Sania
plus.
Bishop Sisusono Sunti. Ena. It is, but yet, as yes, some mistakes, no, say, penny for no, we don't value them, we don't honor them.
Yeah, young celebrity woman.
But Sabrin soon I would draw, we hear some dead because it was a radding to mention you are brim. Nama, this son, men yaome. And then Sania and time it be on baby as no prewu.
Yeah,
me wua me pe.
Yeah,
and near mammy come. Yeah, near me call them in ye
the be
when yan to my papa
ne mamma srano yen cancer panchre no
Bishop
me mamma fiam pratias ye me kwa me hagen na bia me gina na ne na me hana dwene oboniti na me soso de trinwi no o se so so ha ma dwene na me se na me we na didn't know so be wuntam but no me dono me penasem be pemende I love my mother so I love her. I love her. Charles how
Oh, it was me, my and say, do more come out, Mr. Sapana, brother, Mamma, na mama emre because some I walk cancer no yes happen oh ya ha me
brother you be kokko me no
na bishop kwa be pon so ho
yeah
menim secret kura wo ho say eye bibia nyame aya because me suffer ba kwa me kosra no mere bi
2 weeks ago but sorry was be be mo na obi atwere bibi was 2 weeks ago friends they buried their mother who was 130 years at Anomabu 2 weeks ago. Anomabu 2 weeks ago.
Wow.
2 weeks ago. Anomasi omame 130 years.
Wow.
Yes. Go ahead.
Kwa usoro hono. Minima sorry bia na sofo no invalid communicants. And kwasia da yebeye communi hoko mo sunko no be 120.
Emre wan
nkokora wa omwanyini a afi omuntimi
Emma sorry
bio. Nti soro omunyini pa.
Yeah. But did you be no see
yeah bishop me I think say they say it me be say was the Bible class the wager no nani.
All right.
Na wonder awar wasase so.
Okay.
And say ma me ne papa no na mo ye mere wan nkokora no it me di omuni a e ho fa so no kra bi man say yen so ye nda no e be ware wasase so.
So let's look at that one too. I say, the most famous woman in Chicago has just turned 102. 102. 110. A few weeks ago, Papa, come and see how she was celebrated. And she's everywhere downtown Chicago. They block the most busy and highly rich street for her to celebrate her 100 years 2 years ago. And I go the TV stations just 3 weeks ago. In her 102 years, they organized a meet and greet just for 2 hours. You see?
Yeah.
You see, 102. We will do 131. And so, please, when we tell Bibiana, it is a fun fair. I'm going to do it. I'm going to organize it. Well, just get in touch with us because Yabeka was celebrating my said that the craft will be a coho na Yako Bodjum. Your neighbor celebrate 131 years. October.
When na wa nguntam we yebefo opia wanyini bia after certain age na wanim sha se wo emuamu ape abrantie bi ye bibi na anye yie pe we yebefo enti ni die sese wunya no wunya na fe wo tete na ka kire nyame se onkum wanu hukura se wo asase
just now was all coming
yeah on say baba instead was to be ni say si dum ni kura na maye so yenkwanda no e ware asase manya mi shira yen
thank you
and say ye mu ye maamam ni ye ndi na no mu ni e wa bread team a emwa yen na say na wo kan se na to be a mebu mu ni mranti bitimi sere o my gana no mutimi dimpanifo bi atem ne ade wo ye sa wo to nkwana so
yes sir
what you want to am I yes, sir. Oh, say, baby, I'm going to do now. It's me, Casas at home. Yet, tea and quanasso. Yet, tea and quanasso. Whatever say, a positive may be mediation, maybe I would do it now. Oh, Tom Quanasso, Tom Quanasso. And
went to me and a jana and none. Now, with the attempt, the DNA and no quanasso. And the Casentria. And now radio station maybe a frame and the passive one also say Uti Haya and no say na my brother one a dear band yeah what can we hear be and I'm saying the BB here but see a celebrated. But I am a fed we are or radio station or Tanasu a program but no tea and will be some question. I will say station I will be doesn't matter. We want to celebrate this.
Yes, we say in
the October. I don't see you in October.
Yeah, and they want to work. And now, if you don't say I guess I was on work.
Don't worry,
time for October.
You're going to tend to October.
You I guess you look about I guess. And I say I did Yamida 2 months. No, Yamita didn't never be 2 months. Because I'll be a who be a father Nifi. The name is going to be a Fabio meantime. But I say I did in a year to be a few inches because I don't know what turn out plan. I say money Yamida bit from the amount, but I don't be a senior mission. It will be boy because and then married man, it me a day. You'll be anti me be the number of beba.
Yes, sir.
Now, Jesus, if you cope, my main channel, because we
don't honor our senior citizens.
No, we
don't honor them. Also, come on here, with them saying, we must see a baby.
Oh, Jesus.
Grandma, you need one. Why couldn't put you? Why couldn't put you?
Bishop, you need one if you say your system no a different. Now one case
your system is different.
Yeah, what I remember. Yes, and a family system no city no. Minuani Adom, ultimately them are me jammy. So yeah, Sunny, you set up if you are your team, and young Cassa Ankran, and yeah, my ending. So for
that is why the country must sit down.
Yes.
Must sit down. In fear, you did as a 6 terminal, send your TB and you so Sika, you say your home. I say sika unnecessary things nibino and then you invest in yet me see baby say region biani or baby am rewane nkokra ya do moto e kan hunu me rewane nkokra bi o nenam kwa ho
sister de that be that
e kan hunu bi but ya head ya mfan kan ya nhese ye ho me hunu political party wa ba wo boss adawuro ne say o me rewane nkokra no say na me be ya ma wo no eno de yanko but obi ya brantia no ba ba ya brewa na sa akokra jabosu yankasa
Bishop, Nyamisha, Juma, who ya be any idea ye with me. Bishop Minana, Onusun Kakra, me papa, Okoya could do 118 years. Now, Okan Beach Remy, 117 year Costrano.
Okay.
Yes, that boy say, Omo Empire Mana, Empire Numuno, Okan Beach Remy. Or say, Sabrina Nana, ye disofwa, ye shasi Numuna. Also, Niama Miensa, Nebemu Yache.
Nema Miensa. But I take it
and software Domacano, see a pumping for ye.
Thank you.
Also, 2 Yen Dino Quarry. Be honest. Okay. Number 3 and 4 be wasem in show.
Thank you.
Ubinyache. Niama Miensa me rain feeder. Or see the wager no name.
Nema Miensa and Boss of you. The wager. What name? That's number 1.
Wakuma Munya
Fita. Ate.
And then you toss me and son. And they say, and for Ubi
wants some and Shawakumam. Thank you. Sorry, no, me and saying. So on set Ghana, ya dear Cassia Barcon. Beginning be brave, but from 79, you're disrespecting Kokran and Mrewa. You poor Mrewan and Kokra, you bow my hand near the ma a trouble. From 79, not me here. Shama, ma, Chawama. I may almost say, when they did that, a chidifuni mina be brishiaye. Can I say, Jacasa, Amaswakasa, and I bet you may maslobi. Ubinya microphone, send you see trouble, and Cocrafu Crudima. Me a di me a show almost so. I'm up pegani.
Yes, be the right. And a
shabba.
Tem the dear.
Yes, so punk a
tranton. And near tranton. Into a biam from so. So when you need.
Ubiam from so when you need Ubiam from so when you need. It will be in a young from so. Bishop, obeying in a so some Maya, a young from so. Obisu wenyiri na so was some or money in a different capacity so your suffer or your software kokra eba bad I don't know obisa no bad I don't know obisa yes and pay football no ma almost some man no ma bedru baby na say yet radio on the kasa na ye kasa buru kasa ntwi attended kasa na you would such fathers and such grandmothers are sitting there listening to us.
Bishop na Okaya Papa Saforo.
Papa Saforo.
96. He turned 96 last.
On 90. Papa 90. Papa Saforo. Apostolic Bijna. Nyame found us. Okay, one of the founders.
One of my
Papa Saforo.
Penny for a coffee any other. Oh, yeah, dear Baco. Yes, I may praises na meto. We are there about could be Renim who be a best house and enemy Yamai, a craft fully. Na Ewa down so my Abraham Crofobia, na say sorry, not retired Presbyterian minister. Account, my name's Kaya. Na we be area now say who raise fans am papa. Now we are dear ubey to swan.
Wow.
Yes. And no say me try to hopper. Me try to hopper.
No, maybe as a man kayo. Dear. So when the talk was now because let me name that.
So what?
Yes, what kind of my car? I don't even remember.
Yeah.
But what kind of my car?
Mistakes no because nyabusianko. Sorry nyina. Well, be our smart sorry, yet Juma Vienna, Ocono. I'm a pretty one, but Omobana, see a son.
Or your Presbyterian or Presbyterian,
Nefe say, what was a papa disofo, na Sabia Musabiaku, what Jan or Big Jan and Nananum, and then Ma, sorry. And the Holy Spirit dawned on me. And
do that.
You feel I'm a presbytery. Deaconesses. Thank you for reminding me.
Bishop, you're in churches, no. What are we also doing for such people? I thank God, sister. Nyame Adom, Presby, aged
Sunday or
aged Sunday.
Now, the back say when you're 70 and I history corner, you mount your tight to be. Yeah, bound chain, but simply discuss as I blow account.
Would you say 70 years?
70 years.
Sorry, be 70 and 5 crown you bet you. Sorry, power pump.
You're both here and the big cabra.
That's why I can am a sem Nasa, Musa Brewana, Cocrebi, the honest, and maybe Bompire man. I am a very
go push in that. So,
Ubers will be a pian. They say pana pumpum. Hey, when is yes, I be it was never so no bottom. And was some bottom. Hey, no bit to me. No, mammy, brewer. Not mammy, you see, kind of baby. Oh, David. When is Sunday? You're Juma.
Bishop, the only bed, Yamadian, because you beat me organize Merawa name Cocray. Not that could be a domina, but be our mammy.
Not diamond. About him, sorry. Yeah. Okachembe was audio organizer one me almost when you know was me organizing my year party na when everyone in Kokorani did it was fantastic idea. Let us celebrate our mothers, our grandchildren, our grandmothers, and our grandfathers. Let us celebrate. No one soon empire.
Oh my God.
No one empire.
Oh Jesus.
Say yes, sir. So for Jay, also be empire.
Oh yes.
Bishop, you can grow. Me say me na bomb empire man. Means you.
That's right.
I am confident. I always remember that prayer she made for me. I always remember. It's ministry when Namwa means but empire no bomber. And no quiet enough for me.
Maybe a bishop Bribia, Neba Ebemaneno. I just cannot know. I got Baba Muagu Nempaso. No butu empanani no su no bopaye no denya no denya.
Oh my God.
Now you say ya be den enhira
Yapon CJ ewa asempa wa ha
ya ba mere wan feel good
ya mesra wa enei sa wo maame abrewa bi ewa kurase a check momo bi a obetumi asend now they send ne kakra bi dodo say nkwa na odi Budu say, would your man 50, would your man 100, would your man 200, would your kakran, man and a kakran. When you want to say, as empower man, no kuya, as empower man on ana, as empower man on an idea. Oh, and I will call Yametias, thank you. But Anya Ukruma Abrewabio. Man and wife.
Oh, I did my kakra idea. You go far.
When no one. But if you are 130 we are celebrating. Yes, celebrating. And I'm yeah, dear Wajim. Oh my God. All right, so for question, we will join you. Nyamiya, the crowd is I'm gonna nyakrum. We will join you and CJ Waha and Asempa Kwesi so Waha Asempa Kwesi and the ODG you know so Waha and no for free buy catch him also my Rita Watch Champo and they were the 50 years. Which is here. This is the latest album from Diana Hamilton. Arabusha, the Radijao. Also for Jamie Dance, Charles. It is a model Muko radio, Hanamako, radio, imagining in Abos. I can't join a year at Mobaco, Monfa. Kofari, good morning. To say, I want to say, Yankasa, why? Yeah, why? All right.
Sugar, the one who holds and molds my life.
See you. What's it? Let us know. And 1 o'clock in about out. I'm saying I'm shoes. I'm a Stephen
what's the name of my brother now?
When